Okay, you ready? Welcome all. I'm Jim Jenkins. I'm the president of Applied Technology Institute. I also have like 40 years experience in underwater acoustics and sonar, working coincidentally at the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Lab. The co-lecturer, Bruce Newhall, also had about 40 years experience at the Applied Physics Lab, working underwater acoustics, surveillance, submarine systems. So we should be able to answer most of the questions you have. We're going to run the course fairly informally, so as you go along, if there's a question or anything, ask it. I highly recommend you jot notes into the notebook. So this gives you all the pages we expect to project, and it's a good place just to write clarifying things as you go along. So you see it's substantial, several hundred pages. This is the outline of the course. It's 3 days. The star ones are the 3 half days I'm doing, and the rest are all Bruce Newhall's talks. I've given you also a copy of our brochure. This is relatively new, lists all of our courses in defense, engineering and signal processing, systems engineering, and spacecraft engineering, and finally underwater acoustics. I've given you 2 with the hope you'll keep one for yourself and either circulate one in the group or just put it up on the group bulletin board so other people can see. You'll see this covers courses from like September through April in all those areas. Some of you, even if you're working in underwater acoustics, may find systems engineering to be a valuable addition. If any of you also are in radar and defense, we have a number of courses, all similar format, fairly in-depth technical content, tried to put all in one place from many references. The course itself will run from about 8:30 to 4, possibly to 4:30, depending on questions and the time it takes. I think that's the main thing. So if you look again here, today is primarily passive. We'll get into the details of beamforming then, which can be either active or passive sonar. And then day 3 will focus primarily on active sonar. So I welcome you and again encourage you to ask questions as we go. I think you'll enjoy it and find there's stuff of value to you.